Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kat ba nakaliang kaseng kongres, kadang betengi kejingiki halor kejing pendu no ya kepisa lut kotsen spa bat kasihajar. Nakaliang kaseng ke badan hakaliang sensar pat hanong ba Delhi, kata ke Bharatiya Janata Party, henne kasngi ke Praterik Unai Wing. Kala penpena kum kasngi ban persya ya kepisa ke balakamai Klemhok ne ke Bamsap ya ke balatip kum ke Anti Black Money Day. Hakani ke jelaru la pelong yakini da ke BJP Meghalaya State Union ba ke jikendo yakinong putai kebor ban pensai halor kini kesngi ke bala ai kerteng Anti Black Money Day. Na kaliang ki he jong ke BJP hakani ke jela hapo ke jingilam jong Presiden Uba Shibon Lingdo gila penpau ya ke jingiro ya ke sorkar preng ke bala syem ya ke senjam ban pendu no ya ke pisa lot katsan spa ba ke siajar na marling ba kani lala ban te la kam ki kambam sam bat ke jing penokam bakla ya kata ke black money hak ba baitingka haki kam sne ki babonjat kumjo ki kenhon pentriem ki bayele persya ya keri India.
So on the declaration of demonetization on the 8th November 2016, and today we are celebrating 1 year. It is a very historical that the Prime Minister have take this decision, which we can say the Prime Minister have a guts to do it. By declaring the demonetization, we have seen that in this 1 year, there are so many benefits that we are enjoying. Number one, we can say that the money which are lying with the peoples in the country, it have come to the bank. So circulation of money in the bank will streamline the economy of the country. Thanks all the peoples of the state for this support they have given to the central government, and we hope that this demonetization will be a very, very historical and remarkable in the history of India.